Financial security. I don't really believe in true love like that.
I mean, I want true love, but I just don't think that's realistic.
The realist in me is saying financial security, but the realist again is saying both.
I believe that you can find someone that you're really in love with and that you're really compatible with, but people change all the time.
I feel like if there's no love, like, I'm not gonna be with somebody that I don't love. I feel like if you're not financially secure, you can get to that level.
Boys gotta go with financial security. Like, true love ain't gonna pay the bills. True love ain't gonna fill up my tank. True love ain't gonna do my hair or my nails. It's like, come on.
Just because you have money, that doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be happy. But no money, nobody's happy when they're broke.
True love is important. Like, that's something that immediately will attract me to you, like whether or not I feel like you're financially secure. But ultimately, if I don't like have a connection with you, I'm not gonna stay with you.
While true love is ideal, everybody wants true love, but if you don't have financial security, you put a burden on your relationship. So it's kind of, financial security is important. That's not to say that you have to be rich or anything. That's ideal, but you also have to be financially secure for a stable, healthy relationship.
Whether or not someone is balling or secure financially, if I can't stand them, life will be hard. Money's not everything. I just like to be stable, but I would love to love the person.
Show me the money.